So as you guys see, the battery is dead. I'm pressing the button and it doesn't turn on, so we are gonna use the jumper to fix the problem. As you guys see, this kind of Kia Niro 2023 EX doesn't have like the regular battery as a regular car, right? So we're gonna take this out to connect the jumper. And then now we can see this part, the card, that's the positive. So we're gonna connect the positive there. I already connect the positive, and then the negative you guys can connect it in those points over there. I'm gonna connect it now, and then you can see the screen now. We're gonna turn on the car, and it's working now. So I guess that's